A CEO lays off 80% of his team because, quote, they refuse to adopt AI. Is this extreme? Definitely. Is it a warning sign for the rest of us? Absolutely. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a real case that every small business owner needs to hear. A CEO who replaced most of his workforce because they weren't willing to learn artificial intelligence tools. Here's what happened. Spiros Margaris, CEO of Ignite Tech, began shifting his company toward AI-driven operations 2 years ago. He rolled out new AI tools for everything from customer service to product development. But according to the CEO, nearly 80% of the workforce refused to use the new tools or even learn them. Rather than pausing the transition, he let those people go and rebuilt a smaller AI-centric team. His justification? We will not survive in the future if our people do not adapt to the tools of the future. On the surface, it sounds harsh, but it perfectly illustrates a point most small businesses try to avoid. Digital transformation isn't optional anymore. Whether you're a 5-person nonprofit or a 50-person consulting firm, AI is already reshaping how we compete, how fast we work, and what customers expect. Here's something important. He didn't just eliminate positions, he eliminated skills that no longer supported the company's direction. It's not people that are being replaced, it's outdated skill sets. And the only way to protect yourself is to stay open to change and keep learning. Here are 4 things small businesses can do today. First, create a safe space for experimentation. Launch a Tool of the Month session where staff try new AI tools and share what worked. Second, invest in micro-training. Send your team a 10-minute tutorial on a tool like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Third, redesign roles, don't replace them. Let AI handle admin tasks so employees can focus on higher-value activities like strategy and customer relationships. Fourth, make adoption part of performance conversations, not in a threatening way, but remind employees that learning new tools is now part of their job description. So yes, firing 80% of your workforce sounds extreme, but the real takeaway isn't AI is coming for your job. It's you need to grow with it. Companies that don't adapt will struggle, and leaders that empower their teams to evolve will win. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this was helpful and subscribe for weekly business insights.